Hi guys, it's Kevs again and welcome back to another Kevs gear review video. In this video today we are going to be having a review of the 10 twin layer hammock here. So this hammock retails for about £17.99 on 10 website, which is probably £10 cheaper than the or £15 cheaper than the matching DD version. So this is the hammock I use for my winter setups. No modded nets or anything, nice and light. I've modded it with the DD Whoopee suspension system. So I don't know what the weight is. I think the weight as it comes is about 890 grams with 8 meters of their thick cord, and I've never liked the thick cord. Just by getting rid of that, you'd nearly save half the weight, I'd guess, and half the space. So that's why I go with these Whoopee sling mods. I do that on any hammock I've got, on my Hornet, on my Green XL frontline. Yeah, a couple of features then. It's got a couple of hooks. You can just hook your carabiners with your keys on. It is the twin layer model, like I said, so you can stick your foam pad under there if you use one. I always use under blankets, but it is there. Or if you want to peapod yourself, climbing, tuck it over. It's got another hook this end with a big pocket. So yeah, that's basically it. It's just the basic hammock that I use for winter. As you all know by now, when I do my reviews, I give a true honest review of products that have been extensively tested in the field for at least 12 months. This I own for probably 4 years now. It's my first ever hammock that I brought when I first got into hammock camping about 4 years ago, and as you can see, it's still in perfect, if not a bit smelly condition. This hammock, I'll bring you in actually, make that a bit easier. This hammock was obviously a lot older hammock. You can see 10th wonder. Oh, I'm not picking it out too well actually. 10th wonder hammocks since 2002, and these was, as you can see there, this item was not made in China. Now, I know that the owner of 10th Wonder, Neil, has outsourced its materials now. So I'm going to give this review because this is the product I've got. I understand that they might be outsourcing the work now, and that's why the 10th Wonder website is a little bit under, shall we say, understocked, or there's not a lot on there, because he himself is not happy with the quality of what was being made for him, so he's scrapped it and he's trying to find new manufacturers. That's the one, new manufacturers. So I'm going to do the review on this product, and I know that he strives to get the quality back to this product here from when he was a smaller company and making everything himself. So I have to give this, because for the cost, for its age, for the fact that it's never faltered in any way, shape or form, a 10 out of 10. And the reason it gets the full 10 out of 10 is because when I had my spinal surgery, this very hammock got pitched up in my bedroom, and I ditched my bed and I spent all my recovery and 7 months solid in this hammock. 7 months in this hammock. So it's never faltered. I'm a big dude, I'm 20 stone. You know, it's took me, the stitching's not even, the stitching's like it was brand new. You know? Yeah, so I have to give it 10 out of 10 because it helps my recovery from my spinal surgery, and every night for 7 months I was in it, and it's been all over the world with me, this thing. Sweden, Scotland, Devon, Cornwall, Wales, it's been everywhere. So a full 10 out of 10 for the 10th Wonder. I just hope that Neil sorts his manufacturer that is happy with the quality and get that website full, because I think these are about the cheapest. I think 10th Wonder are about the cheapest in the UK at the minute for producing good quality gear, and I just hope he gets it back. So with that, yeah, 10th Wonder twin layer hammock. Oh, I forgot to give its dimensions. I think it's 1.5 by I can't remember now. I think it's 220 by 1.5, that's it. 220 by 145. So yeah, that's its length, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next video, guys. Big thumbs up for the 10th under.